Welcome, real estate investors. We've assembled a dream team to guide you through everything you need to know about real estate investing.
I'm Dan Mullen, the CPA mortgage guy with Summit Home Loans. I'm here to help you understand if your investment is financially sound. If you don't know how to run the numbers yet, that's okay. That's what I'm here for.
Hi, I'm Lana, your real estate broker with Stonefly Real Estate. I share insights on market trends, negotiation strategies, and how to find the best property for your situation. If you don't know where to start, I've got you covered.
Hi there, I'm Brenda with Inspector Tony Home Inspections, and we ensure your investment has a solid foundation.
And I'm Evan Green with Home Warranty Inc. We help protect you with a warranty that can protect your investment property.
So in this seminar, we're not only dropping knowledge bombs, we're throwing a party. Included in your ticket is a meal prepared by an executive chef.
Join us as we dive deeper into these topics, answer your questions, and get you going on the path to success. You won't just be investing in real estate, you'll be investing in a night to remember.